To start screen recording with voice on your iOS 26. For that, first of all, you need to open your control panel, then press and hold, then press on add a control. Then you can see the screen record option. Simply press on screen record, then screen record shown like that. You can increase or decrease the icon size. Now if you press on single press, then screen record will be start, but it's without voice. Press and hold, then you can see the microphone access. If you want to disable microphone access, you can also do it, and press on screen record. Now 1 2 3, your screen record is starting. Now if you go back, then you can see the minute is showing top right corner. My screen is currently recording. If you want to stop it, press this icon, or you need to go your control panel, press this icon and press on stop. Now screen record is saved to my photo gallery. Simply open up your photos, then here you can see this is the screen record option. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.